Good morning. Today we are going to see classification of routing protocols. Routing protocols for ad hoc wireless networks can be classified into several types based on different criteria. The routing protocol for ad hoc wireless networks can be broadly classified into four categories based on routing information update mechanism, use of temporal information for routing topology, utilization of specific resources. Based on the routing information update mechanism, ad hoc wireless network routing protocols can be classified into three major categories based on the routing information update mechanism. They are proactive or table-driven routing protocols. Here, every node maintains the network topology information in the form of routing tables by periodically exchanging routing information. Routing information is generally flooded in the whole network. Whenever a node requires a path to a destination, it runs an appropriate pathfinding algorithm on the topology information it maintains. Second one is reactive or on-demand routing protocols do not maintain the network topology information. Obtain the necessary path when it is required by using a connection establishment process. Third one is hybrid routing protocols combine the best features of the above two categories. Nodes within a certain distance from the node concerned or within a particular geographical region are said to be within the routing zone of the given node. For routing within this zone, a table-driven approach is used. For nodes that are located beyond this zone, an on-demand approach is used. Based on the use of temporal information for routing, the protocols that fall under this category can be further classified into two types. One is routing protocols using past temporal information. Another one is routing protocols that use future temporal information. Using past temporal information, use information about the past status of the links or the status of links at the time of routing to make routing decisions. Routing protocols that use future temporal information use information about the expected future status of the wireless links to make approximate routing decisions. Apart from the lifetime of the wireless links, the future status information also includes information regarding the lifetime of the node, prediction of location, and prediction of link availability. Based on the routing topology, ad hoc wireless networks, due to their relatively smaller number of nodes, can make use of either a flat topology or a hierarchical topology for routing. Flat topology routing protocols make use of a flat addressing scheme similar to the one used in IEEE 802.3 LANs. It assumes the presence of a globally unique addressing mechanism for nodes in an ad hoc wireless networks. Hierarchical topology routing protocols make use of logical hierarchy in the network and an associated addressing scheme. The hierarchy could be based on geographical information or it could be based on hop distance. Based on the utilization of specific resources, first is power-aware routing, aims at minimizing the consumption of a very important resource in the ad hoc wireless networks, the battery power. The routing decisions are based on minimizing the power consumption either logically or globally in the network. Geographical information assisted routing improves the performance of routing and reduces the control overhead by effectively utilizing the geographical information available. Table-driven routing protocols are extension of the wired network routing protocols. They maintain the global topology information in the form of tables at every node. Tables are updated frequently in order to maintain consistent and accurate network state information. Example, destination sequenced distance vector routing protocol, wireless routing protocol, source tree adaptive routing protocol, cluster head gateway switch routing protocol. That's all. Thank you.